Route 10, Ypsilanti, northeast. This is a loop run leaving the YTC, Ypsilanti Transit Center. Fare box should always remain on inbound. From the stand, we're going to continue on Pearl, making a right at the stop sign, which is North Adams. Stop approaching at the stop sign. Want to make a right turn, Washtenaw. Taking our right onto Washtenaw. No stops on Washtenaw here. We're going to continue to the second stop sign. Passing Washington. The second stop sign is Huron. We're going to make a left turn. Making our left onto Huron. There are no stops here on Huron. At the stoplight, it's cross. We're going to make a right turn. Immediately after we make the right turn onto cross, it's a stop right next to Riverside Park. Beautiful portion of downtown Ypsilanti. Stop coming up at the right, just at the crosswalk. Continuing straight forward on cross. Ask that you use proper caution when crossing over the railroad tracks. Continuing on cross. Stop approaching. At the traffic light, it's Prospect. At the gas station, you want to make a left turn here. Making our left once Prospect. Stop approaching just beyond the speed limit sign here. Have the Adams Elementary School on the right side here. At the traffic light, we're going to make a right turn here at the party store. Making a right turn onto Forest. We're going to go down to the next block where we have a stop. on Forest for several stops. Stop approaching. We're going to remain on Forest till we make it to our next traffic light, which is Ford Boulevard. There we will make a left turn. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. Stop approaching at the stop sign. No more stops prior to our turn. We're going to make our left turn at Ford Boulevard here at the traffic light. After we make our left here on Ford Boulevard, there's a stop immediately. Proceeding north on Ford Boulevard. No more stops until after you have passed the next traffic light. We're at Holmes Road here at the traffic light. Stop approaching. We're coming up to Clark Tower. We're going to make a right into the driveway. If this is a weekend piece, you will continue straight and you do not make the right turn here. But prior to you making the right turn, we do ask that you make certain that the main entrance is clear of any emergency vehicles. And if there are emergency vehicles inside the turnabout here, we ask that you refrain from entering and beckon the passengers to come out to the street. If this place is clear, then we're going to come in and we're going to service our stop here. This is a tying point. Then we're going to slowly and safely pull back out on the Ford Boulevard where we're going to make our right turn. Again, we only come in and service the main door entrance during the week. When the week ends, we do not enter, we just continue straight. Approaching the stop sign is Clark Road. We're going to make a left turn at Clark Road. Stop approaching right at the beginning of the park here. to stop approaching here at Devon Street. Stop approaching. We're going to make a right turn onto MacArthur. You're going to see two signs for MacArthur. We're going to go to the second one. The first sign here is MacArthur Drive. We're going to pass the Washington Square sign. We're going to make a right turn at MacArthur Boulevard. I use as a point of reference the large house here on the corner with the multiple cars and the big garage. There's a stop here. We're going to continue around on MacArthur. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. So stop approaching here at the beginning of the Sycamore Meadows apartment complex. Very popular destination. The next 3 or 4 stops. Stop approaching as we cross Harris. This is a time point. Stop approaching. After you've passed the township maintenance facility on the left, the next street you come up to is Wired. You're going to make a left turn. Make a left turn here on Wired Road, just before the Gulfside Village housing community. Just stop right here. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. At the stop sign, we're back to Clark Road. We're gonna make a left turn here at Clark, right near the Henry Ford Elementary School. Stop approaching. The next stop sign, bus stop, isn't until the flashing red lights at the stop sign. Very popular destination on the left side, Apple Ridge Park. At the light, flashing red lights, it's a stop sign. There is a bus stop there. That's Ridge Road. We're gonna make a right turn here at Ridge. Stop until you make it to the next stop sign. Stop approaching. At the stop sign here is Holmes Road. We want to make a right turn on Holmes. A good ways down to our first stop. It's down near the crosswalk. Just past the crosswalk, you'll see our stop approaching near the church. That is our only serviceable stop here on Holmes. We're going to continue on Holmes till we get to Spencer. I use as a guide, if you look to the left, you'll see two evergreen trees, two pine trees there. The street is just beyond these pine trees, coming up on the left. Make a turn here at Spencer. You have the Ypsilanti Community Middle School. No stops to service on Spencer until we have reached the stop sign. At the stop sign is Michigan Avenue. We're going to be making a right turn. Notice our stop. Here at Michigan and Spencer, this is a time point. Right on to Michigan Avenue. Our next stop services the Kroger Grocery Center and various shops in this area. Stop is just at the Kroger Family Dollar sign there. Note to stop. Continuing on Michigan Avenue. There's one more stop to service prior to us making a right turn That stop is going to be right next to the CVS pharmacy. Going under Ford Road. Our stop is approaching right from the CVS here. At the traffic light, we're going to make a right, which is Harris. You get to the Speedway, you're going to make a right. And immediately after you make the right, you're going to make a quick left turn here onto Cross Street. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. Coming up the Prospect here at Cross and Prospect. This is a time point. This will be our last time point until we reach the Ypsilanti Transit Center. Stop approaching. Stop approaching here at the crosswalk. Again, please exercise proper care when crossing railroad tracks. Immediately following the railroad tracks, here's a stop. One more serviceable stop here on Cross. Just as you cross the bridge here, you'll see it approaching. After you service the stop here, you want to get over to the left lane. You're going to make a quick left turn. Comes up rather quickly. Make certain that you clear the merging traffic on the left from here on. You're going to make our left turn here at North Washington. So as soon as you cross Huron, Washington comes up rather quickly. You want to make certain that you prepare yourself to make the proper adjustments. There's a stop at the stop sign. Continuing on Washington, at the stop sign is Pearl. We want to make a right turn at Pearl. and we're going to pull at the stall. Here at the YTC, this concludes Route 10, Ypsilanti, Northeast at the YTC.